In this video, Power Analysis Software is used to diagnose electrical wiring issues. We start by checking the communication configuration for the SATEC EM235 Power Analyser. In this example, Ethernet TCP IP is utilised. Using the SATEC device's default IP address, we can toggle the Online button. Selecting Monitor the RT Dataset 2 for 1 second average measurements, electrical values are displayed. The real-time data monitor helps identify any immediate issues with wiring. Negative values for active power, as displayed in the window in this example for phase 1, can indicate errors present in electrical wiring. Using waveform capture and analysis techniques with Power Analysis Software, comparing voltage waveforms against the current waveform is easy. In this example, it is evident that the peak of the phase 1 voltage and the phase 1 current are 180 degrees apart in rotation. V2 and V3 waveforms show the current peaks slightly lagging the voltage peaks. A vector diagram makes your power analyzer intuitive for verifying a correct installation safely. Now, demonstrated is a wiring correction where the active power on phase 1 changes to a positive value. To keep a record, performing a right-click and select Copy All Images. This gives us before and after data for the wiring change. We then go back to the wiring diagram to create a single pole. Now we can see the wiring change with the current now lagging the voltage by 30 degrees. Using the tools in Power Analysis Software, re-verifying the wiring correction is possible. Notice that current from the I1 waveform is now lagging the voltage of the L1 waveform. The phase 2 and phase 3 electrical wiring has not been modified. Providing a copy for documentation is important for auditing purposes. Taking a record of wiring corrections performed is imperative. Power Analysis Software is a necessary tool and meter verifier for performing safe and trustworthy auditing and commissioning of your electrical metering installations. For advanced training or advice, get in touch with SATEC to support your electrical metering installations.